Hey everybody, this is Brent and welcome back to Brent's Crossroads. And we're going to take a trip to Disney California Adventure where we are going to take a daytime and a nighttime ride out at Radiator Springs on the Radiator Springs Racers. So take a seat next to me in the race car and let's go to the races.
Just follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater!
Howdy, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for a big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? Just sneak up on them and pump. Ready? Don't let Brent catch you.
Visitors on this planet.
Welcome to race day.
It's Radiator Springs.
Not only need to be fast,
You need to look fast. Ka-chow! Ramon!
Looking good.
Shiny paint don't win a race. Now get out there and do us proud.
Uno for the money, due for the show. Try to get ready and the quadro kill. Go!
follow Mater into town to get ready. Mater! Howdy, Sheriff! Howdy! Here for the big race, huh? It's gonna be fun! Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? It's easy. Just sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk!
I'm feeling a lot of love, man.
Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie.
Welcome to Race Day.
At Radiator Springs.
The champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race.
I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you what to put you on.
Getting into the groove. So pay attention.
Yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life. Do it for the money, do it for the show. Try to get ready and the quadro will go.
Great race, everybody.
But who won?
We did, Mater.
How you feeling?
Because we made new friends.
We won! New friends, wait for the road. Can't talk to each other. Can't go tractor tipping with no cousin. You can't.
Mater.
I'm done.
Everybody, thanks for riding with me. And if you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. Check you later. Bye.